Hello and welcome to the another video. Thank you for joining me. My name is Ram and today we are going to discuss about AWS Management Console, right? So we will just log in into the console and we will first see the interface of the home screen of the AWS, right? AWS Cloud. So let's get started. What you have to do, you have to just type here AWS console login, or you can also use the AWS console login management. Go to the website aws.management.com/console, right? So here is the website, then you have to use this log back in, because or you can also use the sign in. Okay, I have logged in already. So this is the home screen of the AWS, right? Here this is the logo of the, or you can if you click on this, you will land on the home page of the AWS management console. Here these icons give us these service tabs, right? So from here you can explore all the service available in the AWS, just like the I can see the recently visited. So you will see all the recently visited service, just like I have visited the, or I have clicked on the EC2 service, right? So this is for the recently visited, right? If you have star or mark as star or favorite, then you will see here your favorite service will appear here. Or if you click on all service, so it will show us in the alphabetical order all the service, right? If you want to filter based on the category, just like the, if I want to filter out the, or the see the all the service available in the AWS based on the analytics, right? Then you have to click on the analytics. It will give you all the list of services which best match with the analytics, right? Athena, CloudShell, AWS Data Exchange, Data Pipeline, EMR, Amazon, FinSearch, and all that. In the same manner, if you want to see the compute related services, yeah, definitely we will see, right? So compute related services are here, it is listed, and if you will click on one of the service, anyone, right, whether AWS App Runner, Bash, EC2, it will take the request and will bring us the home screen of the EC2, right? So just like that, now you have clicked on the EC2. So this is the dashboard of the EC2, right? How many instances are running in our environment, how many instances are available, whether they are running or in the stop state, any state, right? But that should not be terminated. Placement group, volumes, we will be discussing all these things later, right? But just we were just having a walkthrough of the home screen of the AWS, right? So we have discussed about this is called as search bar, right? Here if you want to search anything, just like the, I want to see the EC2, right? So it will give you the EC2, all the related services, document, and everything, tutorial, event, all you can get from here. You can also explore your resources. Let's suppose I have this node, right, manage host, and I don't know, and I am on the home screen. So what you can do, you can just type here and you can go to, right, because manage host, and you have to find in the EC2, just go to EC2 or services resources, right? So in the resources section, if you will go, then you have to go with the resource exploration, then only you would see, otherwise you would not be able to see that. But yeah, definitely just like the I think this is the new service and it is not giving, but yeah, generally it's give the, just like the search, right? So this is for the searching of the services. Next, if we talk about the home screen icon, this is called a CloudShell, right? So what is CloudShell? Actually CloudShell is just like the online tool or the web based tool or the command line tool utility which you can use to interact with this AWS cloud. Just like if I want to create an EC2 machine, right? So I have two methods. One is that I can go to the console and click and do everything, right? Secondly, if I want to do, right, just like the Linux machine, I will get AWS CloudShell, and here I can use the AWS, right, related all the commands. So this is command line utility to interact with the AWS. Okay, let it open and we will come on the next icon. You can see here as a notification, right? So here you can see any notification with related to the AWS, or if just like the if AWS has scheduled any changes, any other notification, any open issues which is going on in the AWS data center, then that will be listed here. You can see the event log just like the older history, right, of the AWS that they have, just like if you will see here, right. So operational issue in the region and zone, this US East 1 region, right, at what time the issue was started and last what was the updated time. So you can also see the detailed status on this, what was the issue, missing dashboard and other asset, right. So this is with respect to the event or any issues which is open with the AWS side, not from the R side. Next, here you can help or get the support, right. This is for the support center, right. If you want to open any case, but but with the free tier we cannot open a raise a case with the AWS. What you will have to do, you will have to have a plan, right now I have support plan is basic, right, and premium plan we need view the support plan. So what support plans are there, right. So you can have a look on the support plans, just like the developer, business, enterprise on ramp and enterprise, right. All these are the, so what is the what we will get when we subscribe to the enhanced technical support, right, to any of these. So these are, you can explore all the things. We will talk about this later, but right now we are not going on all this. So let's come back on our section. So just this is for the support center and export help and right documentation, training, getting started, all these things you can see here. Next option is here. This is a list of regions, right. So all the regions, just like the, we will talk about what is the region and zones. I will make a separate video with respect to the region and zone, so we can have, but for the brief time of point of time, we can just like the region is just a geographical area, just like the in American region, right. So North Virginia region, so that is a specific geographic, and they have their data centers, right, that is called as zones, right, definitely. So all this you can select. Let's suppose if I want to place my what I want to place my server in the America, right, then what I can do, you have to go to EC2 instance. Right now whatever instance I have, right, that I have created in the Mumbai data center, Mumbai region data center, but I want to create any just like California, right, then what you have to do, you have to just go to the select here the California region, and it would be in that, right now I'm not seeing here. So this dashboard shows all the resources available in the North California. So this is with respect to the regions, right. So you can select any region here. So let me come back to my Mumbai region. Yeah, definitely we have come, and it is showing here, right. Here further you can see your account ID, your account detail, organization detail, service quotas, billing dashboard, security credentials, settings, and you can get out, sign out, right. Okay. So this was just a basic tool, right, with respect to the home console home page. If you want to reset to default layout, or you can also change your service or the home page layout, just like if you want to add any widget, then you can click on the widgets, just like the if you want to any favorites, right, so it will show us the our favorites, right, just like the all these are, but favorite of the just like the any of the services and all that, what I have done the in the favorites, right. So this is all category and machine learning containers, so you can use with this. So we are just like the this was just a walkthrough, right, we can say it is a basic AWS console home walkthrough, right. So you can get little bit familiar. Later on we will be deep diving all this, right. Here you can see welcome to the AWS, and there is a documentation, training and certification, all these will be available tabs. So If you want to remove here, then you can also remove this, right? AWS help, just like the what the notification was showing here, it is also showing here, right? But and if you want to go to AWS help, then you can also open in the AWS help dashboard. So it give all the related, just like the what issue is going, any schedule issue is there, other notification, event logs, and all that. So we are not going to discuss into deep dive right now. We will be discussing later on, right? AWS trusted advisor, right? So there is a lot of thing, and if you want to clean up all the thing, then you can also clean up, just like the same change size. If I want to change size, then regular, that is extended view, right? Let me see. So this is all this. Earlier it was showing the first, and right now it is showing into 2. So that is all about the AWS console homepage. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, and if you want any more, and if you want to support me, then please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends so they can have a knowledge on this. And definitely we will get a lot of knowledge in the upcoming videos based on the production grade knowledge, right? So how I will explain all the things, that how the things are set up in the production environments. Okay, thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.